How to check balance of Green Dot card? Checking balance of Green Dot card is very easy. Green Dot offers a mobile app that allows you to manage your card on the go. Download the Green Dot app from App Store or Google Play Store. Log into your app with your account details to check your balance and access other account features. You can check your balance by sending a message text BAL to the number provided on the back of your Green Dot card. You'll receive a reply with your current balance. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.